DIY hydrogen power, extracting hydrogen or H2 from water for energy. Extracting hydrogen or H2 from water for energy. What if the most abundant element on Earth could power our lives? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hydrogen and demonstrating how to extract it from a common source, water, to prepare a basic hydrogen battery cell. Step 1. Gathering materials. To conduct this project, the following things will need. 1. A clear glass container or beaker. 2 pieces of graphite pencils, with leads exposed on both ends, or carbon rods. 3. 1 pieces of 9-volt battery. 4. 2 pieces of alligator clip wires. 5. Some salt or non-iodized salt recommended. 6. Distilled or potable water, and last, 7. Small test tubes or containers to collect gas as required. Notice, colon safety is key, so ensure you have proper ventilation. Step 2. Preparing the electrolysis setup. To do this, place your 2 graphite electrodes into the container or beaker, making sure they are separated. Then, add a small amount of salt to your water and stir until it dissolves. The salt helps the water conduct electricity more efficiently. Step 3. Connecting the power source. Now, carefully connect the alligator clips. Attach one clip from the positive terminal of your 9-volt battery to one graphite rod, and the other clip from the negative terminal to the second graphite rod. As soon as the circuit is complete, you should start to see activity at the electrodes. Step 4. Observing hydrogen and oxygen production of electrolysis. What you are witnessing is electrolysis, the process of splitting water into its constituent elements. At the negative electrode, you will see a greater volume of gas bubbles forming, that is your hydrogen. At the positive electrode, oxygen is being produced, though in half the volume. Wow! I do not believe. It is awesome. Step 5. Conceptualizing the hydrogen battery cell. While we're demonstrating hydrogen production, the concept of a hydrogen battery, or more accurately, a fuel cell, utilizes this hydrogen. Hydrogen and oxygen gases are fed into a fuel cell, where they react electrochemically to generate electricity, with water as the only byproduct. This process is the reverse of what we're doing here. Step 6. Understanding the potential. The potential